It's time you did it after Effects or Premiere Pro, because what I'm about to show you is one of the things you've been missing in Shotcut. Most people call it a toy. They see a black box when they try to mask and they quit. They think the software is broken, but Shotcut isn't broken. It's a modular, and once you understand the logic of the stack, you'll never go back to a subtraction. In today's video, I'll show you 3 steps that you'll need to understand in order to master Shotcut. In high-end editors, masking is a property. In Shotcut, masking is an envelope. We call this the sandwich logic. Okay, let's go straight to our sandwich logic. So the first thing you gotta do, go straight to your filters, you go straight to your blurs, then you guys just write here simple shape. You can write a mask simple shape. This is the first thing that you gotta add on your sandwich. So below you add a simple shape, a mask simple shape. Then this box will appear. So you gotta come here, then you select the area where you want the effect to be. Sometimes you may want the effect to only apply on the half of the screen or only on the face, but for this specific one I want it to apply on the entire screen. Then you're gonna come here, then from here you just write city because I want to add opacity. Then that's just my opacity. From here I want to add my loot 3D. Then you're gonna add a loot 3D. Then from here you can see no file loaded. You gotta go straight to open, then you're gonna choose your loot. So you gotta download your own loot pack online. There are so many websites which provide free loots. Then from here I will just choose a Spain cube because this is the one that I like. You can also choose any which you prefer, but let's go for Italy for this one. Let's go straight to open. Then from here you can see like you just apply your loot and it become more bright. So you're gonna come straight here, then you want to close your sandwich, so you use a mask apply to close your own sandwich. Then you just click mask apply. So you put a mask simple shape, you put opacity, you put a loot, then you put a mask apply. Then this is what we will get. Then let's see the before. This is how the image looked before, then this is how the image looks like after. But if you feel like this is too bright, you can go straight to opacity. The advantage of using the sandwich logic, you can go straight to your opacity, then you can just select this, then you can just put it around 60%. Then you can see there's a little bit of a change. Let's see, like the before. This is the before, then this is the after. You can also go straight to your simple shape, then you can just select this. Let's just activate this. You can just select this, then you put it straight to your half. See, it will only affect the half. You can see this side looks pretty great, but this side looks more darker. So this is an advantage of using like a mask simple shape and a mask apply logic. I hope guys this actually does make sense. If you don't understand anything, please do leave a comment so that I can explain further. Thank you.